Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to configure Global Accelerator with multiple EC2 instances in different regions in AWS. Let's start by navigating to the EC2 dashboard, then click on Security Groups. Hit Create, then give your security group a name and a description. In the inbound rules section, I'm going to add a rule for SSH from anywhere and HTTP from anywhere, then hit create. Click on instances, then hit launch instances. Give your instance a name, select an AMI, then click on edit in network settings. Select the security group that we just created, then scroll down to the user data section. Here, I'm going to copy paste a startup script that brings up the HTTPD web server, then grabs the availability zone and subnet ID metadata and saves it into index.html. Hit launch instance, then give it a few minutes and you should see your instance in running state. Grab the public IP address and paste it in a browser, and you should see your availability zone and subnet ID. Next, I'm going to switch to US West 2 region and repeat the steps to create a security group and an EC2 instance. Once you have the instance in running state, grab the public IP address and paste it in a browser. This time you should see the availability zone as US West 2. Now let's navigate to the Global Accelerator service, then hit the Create button. Give your accelerator a name, choose a type, then hit Next. For listener port, I'm going to select 80, and for protocol, I'm going to select TCP. For endpoint groups, I'm going to select US East 1 and US West 2 with 50% traffic each. Then hit Next. For endpoints in each region, select the EC2 instances that we just created, then hit the Create button. Give it a few minutes, then grab the Global Accelerator DNS name URL and paste it in a browser. As you can see, we are being routed to the EC2 instance in US East 1 region. Now watch what happens if I terminate the EC2 instance running in the US East 1 region and relaunch the Global Accelerator URL. This time I get routed to the US West 2 EC2 instance. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.